The transformation of the Free Library of Philadelphia's original 6 levels of stack-shelving units into a new public space and cultural center is underway. In December of 2017, between demolition of the original library space and the beginning of renovations, an opportunity arose to stage a striking musical performance in the unfinished space, which will eventually be known as the Commons. Captured on film, this performance was a celebration of the myriad forms of literature, art, and music that intersect in our public libraries. Music is a language we all speak, older than the written word itself. Euterpe, the Greek muse of music and lyric poetry, was also a guardian of knowledge, and the muse of song and of the flute. These 2 ancient instruments, voice and flute, are featured in the compositions performed for this film. In the Irish folk song settings of composer John Corleano, we hear the familiar melody of a well-known Irish folk song redefined by a wandering, yearning flute. The first 2 songs, the haunting melody She Moved Through the Fair and the upbeat song The Foggy Dew, form a kind of call and response across the divide between death and life. Arnold Schoenberg's Der kranke Mond, or The Sick Moon, tells another story of longing and decay in what feels like an otherworldly landscape. With so many modes of expression, what draws all art together into one voice? Libraries. Libraries transform our inner landscapes, and this transformation impacts our behavior and the world we create together. Poets and composers write text and music to take us on a journey through alien landscapes in space and time. And what better place to do that than here at the Free Library of Philadelphia in this unfinished space? The reconstruction of the Free Library into a new cultural center celebrates the interaction of literature, art, and music, and how it transforms our innermost selves, and celebrates humanity's artistic expression and movement through new spaces and ideas.
Amor.